Good morning, Trailblazers. Happy Monday. This is Mrs. Carreras, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about what went on last week here at Peters Canyon. Here's a picture of Mrs. Hong's class. They took a very simple story, used their checklists and all that they know about good writing, and made their story so much better during shared writing. They worked as a team and all helped write the story together. Great job, Mrs. Hong's class. So proud of you. Mrs. Lee's class is shown here sharing warm fuzzies with kind words to one another. Great job. What an awesome idea. Here are some pictures of Mrs. Lee's class enjoying the book fair. I know that all of you had a great time enjoying last week's book fair, and we really appreciate our PTO for sponsoring that event for us. Next, we see Mrs. Lee's class engaged in word work, learning how to sort words based on their attributes. Lastly, this is an exciting week here at Peters Canyon. This week is called Start with Hello Week, brought to you by the Kindness Club. Start with Hello Week is a national movement to help make schools kinder places to be. So you can do your part at Peters Canyon this week by being kind to other people. Remember, in a world where you can be anything, be kind, because kindness is the new cool. And now for our Mindful Monday. Sit back in your chair and take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Think of something kind you've done for someone. Maybe you helped someone in your family with something at home, or you helped a friend at school. Think of something kind that someone else has done for you. How did it make you feel? Now, think of something kind that you haven't done yet, but you will the next time you have a chance. Is there someone you could help or say some kind words to? Try to remember to do that kind thing when you can. Remember the dots we put on our hands several weeks ago when I read a story to your class. I know that dot is long gone now, but you can remember what it looked like, what color it was, and the purpose. It was to remind us to do kind things for others. Remember to take time today to do something kind for someone else. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Great job, Trailblazers. Have an awesome week.